FitLab PGH back with a movement tip lifestyle hack. If you like to get outside with your dog, you know that sooner or later the dog's going to get into something and get hurt. So be prepared for that. And what we recommend is the Wander Dog Trail Dog Rescue Kit from Wander Dog by Dr. Libby Fort, who's a vet. She's curated a first aid kit for dogs. If you take your dog out into the wilderness, rather than trying to hunt down all the products you need, she's got this nice kit where she's put it together. She also has it in a nice bag, so you don't have to worry about what the bag is. And because my nickname is Hands, I dropped what she also puts together with the kit, which is just a little manual Wander Dog Trail Dog Rescue Kit, which gives you some first aid tips for your pet. So if you go outside, consider taking your dog on a leash and enjoy time and be prepared for emergencies. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.